Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new subscription box to show you guys, and that is Lips and Lather by Cut the Crap Organics. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this was sent to me for review. Thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Cut the Crap Organics got a hold of me and they told me that they're doing the subscription box, Lips and Lather. Told me a little bit about it. I looked at their site and I was like, you know what? I think this would be a really neat thing to show you guys because it is a lot lower of a price point if you want to spoil yourself or another. This is like the cheapest thing I've ever seen as far as a subscription being mailed with a product inside. So I definitely wanted to show you. Again, I know times are tough. If you wanted just to have something to arrive every month for yourself or as a gift idea, this might be a great idea. So what I like to do when I first bring a box to my channel is tell you everything that I can find out about it first, and then we will open it. So again, this is by Cut the Crap Organics, and it's the Lip and Lather package. What's a Lip and Lather box? It is a monthly themed shipment of an Artisan bar of soap and a deliciously moisturizing lip balm. So every single month you have one new bar of soap and one new lip balm. And they're both like, it's supposed to be like a theme, so they should kind of like match with each other. And I just think that's really neat. Okay, so as far as pricing, you can do the classic box, which would be just this box right here, and it's $13 a month. Every month you will receive one unique bar of soap and one lip balm, made with 100% natural fragrances, made with all organic plant-based oils and butters. It's a gentle cleansing bar that's a delight to your eyes and your skin. The fragrant lip balms will moisturize and hydrate. It's the perfect way to treat yourself. There's free United States shipping, and that's why I'm like $13 and shipped. No additional charges. You get this for $13 and you could cancel at any time. Or you can do a 3-month gifting plan. So if you wanted to gift, 3 months worth to somebody, they're still $13 per month, but you can send a gift and they'll get it for 3 months, and it'll also come with a handwritten gift note. And again, still free shipping. You can also get it delivered internationally. If you live outside the US and you want to receive this box, now you can. Same amazing box, now shipped outside of the US. Shipping is included in the monthly fee of $26. So if you are international, you can have this delivered with the international shipping fee on top of it, which is a total of $26 total. So $26, this can be shipped internationally. And I did see on their website, they have an actual online store. So if you would like to just purchase items and you don't want to go to a monthly committed relationship, if you want to just get individual items, you can definitely do that. And if you shop the shop, so all shop items, not the monthly box, but anything from the shop, you can use welcome 10 and you'll save 10% off your order. But there you'll find soap bars, lip balms. There's in singles and in sets, so you can get all individual lip balms, or they'll have them in little sets already ready to go. Great gift ideas as well. There's fragrance sprays, toners, there's eye serums, hand sanitizers, soap bars, beard balms, muscle rubs, vapor rubs, facial oils, cleansing balms, natural deodorant, and so much more. And there's several different scents or fragrances between all of those items as well. So everything will be linked down below if you want to go check out their main website. And again, anything from their shop, welcome 10 will save 10% off, or you can go to the subscription, which is $13 a month for US and $26 for international. And then on the website, it also says what makes these bars extra special is that they are unique creations and no two bars will be exactly alike. Each bar is a little piece of art with an exclusive color and scent palette made just for you. So this is March's box. Last month they had was all rose theme. And if you guys follow me, Rose gives me a migraine. So she's like, I can wait until March to send you pancakes. And I was like, that's more my speed. So when you open it up, you do have a little card that is right on top and it says March Lips and Lather. And yes, it's pancakes. That I'm excited about. So on the card, it says, hello, soap fans. March 1st was a super important holiday. Did you miss it? Did you know what it was? National Pancake Day, of course. Did you know that? I didn't, but with this box, you can celebrate all month long. The Pancake Stack Soap is scented with an all-natural fragrance that has notes of maple syrup and sugared berries. It also contains real maple syrup. Wow. The sweet flavor of maple syrup lip balm will leave your lips moisturized and your mouth craving pancakes. Fun fact, the largest pancake ever made was whipped up in England in 1994. It was 49 feet wide and weighed 3 tons. Now you can break out your pancake trivia whenever conversations lag. I hope you enjoy this fun pancake themed box. And that is really cute how there's just this little card that they put in there. So then underneath the card, you'll have your 2 items. So here will be your lip balm, and it says maple syrup lip balm. And it even just has the list of ingredients right on there for you. Let's break the seal. I can't really smell too much. Let me see if once I put it on, it feels good. It feels good. Ooh, no, I'm getting, I can smell it on my lips. Maybe I just needed to like take the first layer off, because now it definitely smells like maple syrup. Can I eat it? What's all the ingredients? I'm sure you can eat it, right? But I'm not going to. That smells really good and it feels really good. That's probably gonna make me want some syrups. Syrups? Not just syrup, with pancakes or waffles. And then here's this, it says Lips and Lather subscription box, Cut the Crap Organics, and their website. And oh, it says, thanks Tracy, I hope you enjoy your box. Thank you for sending it. Here is the soap, and I'm super, super excited. Oh my goodness. This looks like it literally has, you know, the maple syrup, and it probably is the maple syrup dripping. Oh my gosh, let me remove the plastic. Okay, hopefully this works, because this hasn't been working. I can pick up a little bit of maple syrup. I'm sure it smells way stronger than I'm picking up, but it's just, it has a mind of its own now. Since I got sick, it comes and it goes, and at least I can kind of smell a little maple syrup. That's a plus. I'm kind of getting it, but this is that is like one of the cutest pieces of soap I've ever seen. Look at how cute that is. And I really like the attention to detail that this is literally dripping down. So it's not how it was completely made and then just cut and then given to you. After it was cut, it has this drizzle that comes down the front just to give it that extra little thing that I've never seen anybody else do on a bar of soap. Just pointing that out. So literally it's coming down the front. Yeah, I don't want to, let me try to take this off because I don't want to knock them off. So when I remove this, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's not done just in the whole mold making them. That's done after it's already been cut. They go back and do this. And again, I've never seen anybody go back and actually add something like that to the front. And those look like real, like fruit sitting on the top of it. That is just super, super cute. So if they come like this all the time with this, that is a really, really cute idea. And then you can use this bar of soap all month. And then next month you get a new bar of soap with a new matching lip balm. I think that is a really cute idea. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the March box and what I have to tell you about this company. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this? Do you think this is a neat deal for $13 free shipping or $26 internationally to get a bar of soap that is so cutely done and extremely decorative and then have a matching lip balm? Do you think that's a good deal? Do you want to get this now? Is it on the top of your list? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.